expect about this, but once I do, well then, yeah. Find me on chapter 2. I guess we make a little bit of deal about progress. Progress is the deal, you know. Okay, I make a bad deal. Hello. I think I need a name. Okay. My name is the BG. Nice to meet you. I guess. Well then, yeah, let's do it. Dun 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 dun. Oh my God, what's happened to you? I'm not drawing the pickle, the yellow drawing. It doesn't have any eyes. I'm making fun of me. Nana. Nana and I am Nana. Who's Nana? Nana the milkshake. Hey, yeah. Okay, now he fell down. Well, yeah. The baby! No, the baby! No. What? It possibly the noise. No. Let's go. Okay. Oh no! They rip off in the page. We have to stop the ink. The quest to stop Nanny and Nanny A. Okay, let's do it. The Stinky Stitchers. Stinky Stitchers, Chapter 1. Good. Well, then it's a free time, but honey. Yoink, 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 yoink. So I got Flippy and Flippy. Hello, guys. Hello, and I'm here playing Draw Stickman Epic 2. Wow, is this sure? I'm sure. Good. What else we can do, Snuffy? Oh, it's a deal, Flippy. So, I'm drawing this. What the heck is that? Is that you? Yes. I didn't make enough fun of. I know, Flicky. Flippy, it's a oh. Draw some trees. Don't mind the apple tree friend of this. Bruh. Leaves. Triangle. And ears. Oh no! Not even touch the ink. But then flowers, y'all. I'm scared. It's fine, Flicky. This place is creepy. Yeah, really creepy. Oh. Nothing you worry about, you scared. Somehow? Wait. Okay. Sorry guys, because the rat. Okay, something the purple. Oh no! The bird say Michael says. Ah! It's just a cute bird. It's not bad, it's just nice. Yeah. Okay, need to kill the rat by a light tree. Are you sure the light is a? Are you sure the tree is a light? Yeah. How a big of awful? I don't know. Okay, let's do it. Oh crap! Oops! I killed them rats. Those rats! No! Okay, thanks. Okay, fix the page into the next page of chapters and bring it to life. Oh, hello. Fisher, Shelfer, and the guarder. The guard. Over here. Okay. And they're trapped down here. They're trapped down here. I had to save them. How you get in there? Yeah, nice and safely. Okay. Okay, there we go. And what happened next? Just you watch. What the? You see it, Flippy? I see it, Flicky. I'm sure. Oh, come on. It's just a game. I don't think it looks like the scary game. It's just a kids. Are you sure? I'm sure. What? What the? What the? What the? Uh-oh. Flippy? Is this a vanity? Stop it! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Watch out! Oh my god! Run! Ah! Run! Just some trust! Oh, it's a give it heart. Extra heart. Is it? Thanks. Okay, you found a first heart crystal. Can I have more heart crystal to get more life? Okay. Let's go. Ah! Not to step on it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, we missing something. What? What? What's going on? What's going on? What is that? What is that? Whoa. Whoa! This is so cool. Nana and Anna? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and flipping the flicky and saying bye to that video. Bye everyone. So if you know what watches comments. So then I'll see you all and next time. Peace out.